What's going on? It's Rick here, and we're going to do a no frills unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. This is in graphite, and straight to the point. The box is smaller. It doesn't have shrink wrap. It does have two pull tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom. You just go ahead and remove those, open up the box, and there is the phone. Now, I'm coming from an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I wanted to kind of shrink down the size just a little bit, and so that's why I chose this one. A little bit more portable, easier to handle. Now, the weight has increased as well as the thickness of these phones. Look at those beefy cameras. And the reason being is it's got enhanced batteries on the inside, so it's going to last a little bit longer. You can see that surgical steel band all around the side. It will show fingerprints, but it doesn't really matter because I'm popping it in an iPhone leather case. Down below, you can see where that lightning connector is. Hopefully we'll get USB-C in the next revision of the iPhone. And then underneath it, you are going to find your lightning connector to USB-C that you're going to have to plug into a wall adapter to charge this if you don't use MagSafe. You get a SIM card removal tool, as well as a sticker and a small instructional manual. There is the protector that comes on the phone out of the box. You just peel it away, and then you can power it up and set it up as new or restore from a backup. So that has been a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro in graphite. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, as I will be doing one in the future on the leather wallet that you see there. Thanks for watching. Take care.